Hello all, I am Ritesh, coordinator of Portable Mechanical Ventilator team. Ventilators play an important role in tackling the corona crisis. In India, we have about only 40,000 ventilators to a population of 1.2 billion, and the world is also facing a ventilator shortage crisis. So we've come up with an alternate design to support our government. We designed our portable mechanical ventilator in such a way that it can be easily produced in mass production lines in just a short period of time. Only it will cost about 25 to 30,000, while a conventional ventilator costs around 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. This back value mask is compressed by using two concave structures which have a rubber coating at the end to make the friction smooth. So once these two concave structures just compress this airbag, these airbags pull the oxygen from one side of the oxygen cylinder and deliver it to the other side where the patient is present with the mask. So this compression takes place by using a linear actuator which is based on screw structure. So once this linear actuator rotates, the screw comes down and compresses the C structure, which in turn compresses the back value mask, and while it goes up, it again relaxes. So in a minute it can do about 30 to 40 times, while our ideal need is just about 20 times. We just need to give the BPM, that is breaths per minute, by using the buttons given there. So if the pressure inside the BPM rack increases, it will start alarming. We will also be able to monitor airflow pressure through the sensor near the mask, near the corner of the ventilator. Without any complications, these highly efficient ventilators can bring a breakthrough to our medical department. Our plan in the future is to patent the right to it and to pitch the idea to our Indian government and make this happen not only to the Indian medical equipment industry but to the whole world medical equipment industry. Human race is always known for tackling all the problems which are ahead of them. Whatever crisis may come, with the power of innovativeness and technology in our hands, we'll be able to tackle it fully and hope for a great and a better tomorrow. Thank you. Jai Hind.